Oh my god.
Not me watching this 12 times. This little guy is.
You're my new best friend. Oh, hello. Hello.
The audacity. The absolute audacity. He.
Constantine has chosen me. He has chosen me. Oh my god. You like getting baths? No. Why not? No.
Who did? Bad dog. What are you doing? I'm still mad at you. Get out! Nice! Nice!
My jaw literally hit the floor that.
Good boy, Kenneth.
Oh, he's not happy.
Five million views later, and it still gets me. He's living his best life.
No. No.
Let me in. Marshmallow. Get you the camera.
I have so many questions. What is?
Unbelievable. No.
No way this actually happened. He slid down and then.
E de
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God. You laughing, girl? You trying to laugh? This funny? Let me show you some fucking...
The hero nobody asked for has arrived. What even is this? This cat is definitely dreaming of tuna. So cozy though. Totally relatable.
So here's what happened, and I need you to stay calm. This cat is lurking. Then.
What did you just say?
It's okay. It's okay, Daddy. Be careful, buddy. Oh my God.
Now what do we say when we're feeling depressed again? My depression is repeating, so this booty needs a beating.
This cannot be real life. He's just...
Mikey, what are you doing?
So I'm trying to wrap presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do.
I blinked and missed it the first time. That cat.
Little black, hang on. Oh gosh.
You guys, somebody get the fucking mouse. He's literally not scared of any of you.
What are you good at?
I like eating and sleeping.
Okay. And what are you not good at?
Everything.
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh my
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep it?
Okay.
This has been living in my camera roll for weeks. The cat.
Favorite Kansas City kitty. Go Chiefs. Yeah.
Why is it completely black? Like... Okay.
Wish that I could make a cake made out of rainbows, smiles, and melodies. Be happy.
I don't even go here. What? What is going on?
So chunky.
I'm so sorry.
Excuse me, what? Is that a glitch in the cat?
What is happening?
Whoa.
What is happening?
Whoa.
What is happening?
Hey, what are you doing?
Honestly, same. I relate to this on a personal level. This pug is not having.
My cat is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah, fuck you!
Симба, принеси туалетную бумагу.
This is either genius or catastrophic. Probably both. Oh my gosh, the paw. It's so gentle. But